And welcome back to West New York Living. We just went through one of the coldest stretches we've seen this winter so far. And some of you might be realizing that your drafty windows and doors are doing a better job of letting the cold in than keeping it out. Well, my next guest knows a thing or two about putting old man winter where he belongs. That's outside your house. Happy to have with us here on our show our good friend Mike Washington from Ivy Lee Construction. Mike, good to see you.
Yeah, good to see you. Happy New Year.
Some folks probably didn't realize, and Happy New Year back to you, that their doors and windows are inefficient until they went to open and like, why is it so cold inside, right? A lot of people find that this time of year, don't they?
Yeah, this time of year, you know, we really get a lot of calls on drafts and inefficiencies. Obviously, there's security issues with windows, plain old just don't work. Screens are bad. The windows themselves, the technology are so old, they're just single pane. But the biggest this time of year, when it gets that cold, you don't realize how much heat is getting let out in the winter, and vice versa in the summer. When you're cooling your home, it's also letting out a lot of coolness too. So the efficiency of the window is probably the biggest thing this time of year.
Yeah, it's costing them money. They're not realizing that they're just throwing out the doors.
Absolutely. So, you know, we really go in and we're going to do a needs analysis, go through the whole house. Not that you have to do every window in your house, but you can kind of go through and, hey, what is the low hanging fruit? Hey, this is a big problem. This is a big problem. This is a big problem. Obviously, we can do from one window all the way up to the whole house. And we also favor a new construction method, which is basically taking that window all the way down to the studs. We get rid of all the casing on the inside and outside, and that way we can really get down to find out if there's any problems with the substructure. We see a lot of times that headers are improper, or you'll see rot that you can't see if you just put in a replacement window.
Yeah, I was going to say, yeah, taking it down to the studs, as you mentioned, it provides a lot of advantages, and then it's going to be done right.
Absolutely, and that's the way you can set the windows, put it in plumb, put it in square, and also get your best efficiency around that window, because you can buy the best window. If it's installed improperly, it's just not going to perform like it should. You know, you have to set that window. We got to make sure there's low expanding foam going all the way around that window. On the outside, we're going to use special flashing tape that's going to actually cut down the wind wash so the air can't go around that window or through that window. It's really, really important to have it installed properly.
Is that the same for doors too?
Absolutely. The door is going to be the exact same thing. You know, when we get to this time of year, security is a big part on the door. The inefficiencies on the door, the weather strips on the bottom, we have a lot of problems with, and the ball weather stripping that goes around with the door. It's very rare that we'll go in and repair a door. It's almost always a replacement, because a door will be in a house 20, 30, 40, 50, 100-year-old door. And it really, the technology today, you know, they're going to be foam filled, fiberglass doors. They'll have wood grain textures. The glass packages are going to just so much better efficiency wise. Definitely worthwhile.
Yeah, the technology's to your advantage now. Can it be done now? Do they have to wait till spring?
Absolutely. We're out putting windows in this week, and windows and doors will be going in next week all year round, because the efficiency problem, people want them replaced as soon as they can. We have a lot of special always on our windows all year round. Right, like right now we have some 0% financing, 0% for 24 months, for 4.99%, for up to 144 months. And if you don't take advantage of the financing, we also have coupons out there.
All right, yeah, that's important too, because we're all getting those Christmas bills.
Yes, exactly.
They're coming in, so we can save them some money on there. Ivy Lee Construction, it is the most trusted name in home improvement for your exterior or interior needs. By the way, windows and doors cover both of those. To find out more about all the services they offer, including replacement windows and doors, head to their website, ivyleeconstruction.com, or give them a call, 875-8654. And as Mike mentioned, they have some great financing options for all of your home improvement projects, including 24-month 0% financing.